Hey guys, it's Ms. Castor. Go ahead and get out your Cornell notes. Titled the Notes Video 6.3 Interpreting Slope and Y-Intercepts. Please pause the video so that you can title your notes now. Now that you have your notes titled, go ahead and write down this situation. So go ahead and pause the video and make your paper look a whole lot like mine. So the situation is a submarine is 700 meters below the surface of the ocean. It is ascending at a rate of 35 meters every minute. So whenever I go to graph this, I start at my beginning point, which is my y-intercept. So I start at 700 meters below the surface. Well, that is going to be at negative 700. Well, negative 700 what? It's meters. So negative 700 meters, I'm going to go ahead and label my y-axis meters. And then it ascends at a rate of 35 meters every minute. So if I have rise over run, and my rise I know is going to be, I'm rising 35 meters every 1 minute, so that's 35 meters every 1 minute, then this here helps me out a lot with my slope. I have 700, and then I'm going to plot my points. Go ahead and pause the video so that you can do the same. So here are my points that I've plotted, and I'm going to draw a line through the middle. Now if you notice, my line goes through these points and I intersect my x-axis at 20. Well, what does this mean? This is really 20 minutes, so I'm going to label that minutes. So let's take a look at these questions here. What does x represent? Well, we just talked about that. X represents minutes. And what does y represent? That is my meters. Now, we've got these three sections here. I'm looking at my y-intercept. Well, what is my y-intercept? It's when the line crosses the y-axis. So that value is 0, negative 700. And the meaning of that is at 0 minutes, the depth of the sub is negative 700, or 700 meters below the surface. Now let's take a look at my x-intercept. So where my line crosses my x-axis is right here, and that value is 20, 0. So what that means is that it takes 20 minutes for the submarine to ascend to the water level. My slope. Well, we talked about that earlier, where it was 35 meters for every 1 minute. So my slope is 35. And the meaning of this is for every minute, the submarine ascends 35 meters, or it gets 35 meters closer to the surface. You can write either one of those down. Now this one you're doing on your own. Be aware that this says equation. So you're writing the equation that fits with this situation. You're going to tell me what the x represents, what the y represents, and you're going to find the y-intercept, x-intercept, and slope. I have not taught you yet how to find the x-intercept from an equation. We will talk about this tomorrow, but you might get a prize if you can figure it out on your own before you come to class. So come to class with those completed, and I will see you guys tomorrow.